world's largest floating cranes, lifting massive load. The engineering world often marvels at the creation of structures that defy ordinary scales and expectations. Among these engineering marvels, floating cranes hold a unique position due to their incredible capabilities in lifting massive loads. These floating behemoths are pivotal in various industries, from offshore oil drilling to bridge construction and port logistics. HAMHIs. The HAMHIs is not just a crane, it's a testament to modern engineering capabilities and a critical asset in maritime construction. Known for its robust structure and immense lifting capacity, the HAMHIs is often deployed in constructing bridges, ports, and offshore facilities where traditional cranes fall short. Its design allows it to operate in challenging marine environments, providing stability and reliability even under harsh conditions. One of the most notable aspects of the HAMHIs is its dynamic positioning system, which allows it to maintain its location with pinpoint accuracy. This is crucial when working on precise, large-scale projects where every inch matters. The crane can lift thousands of tons with ease, making it an indispensable tool for heavy lifting tasks that are beyond the reach of land-based cranes. The HAMHIs represents not just physical power, but also the power of human ingenuity in overcoming the challenges posed by nature. Swain stands as a colossal figure in the world of floating cranes, designed specifically for heavy-duty operations in the offshore oil and gas industry. This floating crane excels in assembling offshore platforms and installing heavyweight infrastructure needed in deep-water explorations. Its capability to lift massive loads up to several thousand tons highlights its critical role in constructing facilities that are fundamental to global energy supplies. What sets Swain apart is its adaptability to various maritime conditions, coupled with its lift capacity, which allows it to perform in areas inaccessible to other cranes. Its design incorporates state-of-the-art technology for load handling, ensuring safety and efficiency even in the most daunting conditions. Swain is more than just a tool. It's a floating fortress that brings ambitious offshore projects to life, proving that human endeavor knows no bounds. Asian Hercules II. The Asian Hercules II is a giant among giants. This floating crane is renowned for its incredible lifting capacity, which is crucial in executing large-scale projects that require moving heavy loads such as large ship sections, hefty bridge pieces, or gigantic wind turbine parts. With a reach and power that dwarf other machines, Asian Hercules II has been instrumental in numerous construction projects across the globe where precision and brute strength are required in equal measure. Furthermore, Asian Hercules II features an advanced ballasting system to stabilize itself during lifting operations. This system adjusts the water intake in its hull to counterbalance the weight of the load, maintaining stability. This feature is vital in preventing accidents and ensuring the safety of the crew and equipment. Thus, Asian Hercules II is not only a powerful lifting machine, but also a marvel of safety engineering, embodying the intricate balance between force and finesse. Crane Barge Mushi. The crane barge Mushi serves as a critical player in marine construction and salvage operations. Its deck houses a crane capable of lifting hefty loads from significant depths, making it an ideal choice for recovery missions and underwater construction. Mushi's design allows it to perform in constrained environments, such as narrow waterways and near shorelines, where larger vessels might not maneuver effectively. In addition to its primary functions, Mushi is equipped with sophisticated navigation and communication systems that enable it to operate efficiently across different marine conditions. This integration of technology enhances its operational capabilities, ensuring that it can respond quickly and effectively to the varying demands of marine engineering projects. Mushi isn't just a crane, it's a mobile engineering unit that brings multifaceted solutions to complex maritime challenges. Seaway. Strashnov represents a significant leap in offshore construction technology, specifically designed for the installation of offshore wind farms and oil rigs. This floating crane combines size with agility, making it perfect for working in the challenging and often unpredictable marine environment. Its towering structure and formidable lifting power allow it to handle enormous structures, such as turbine foundations and topside modules, with relative ease. The operational efficiency of Seaway Strashnov is enhanced by its sophisticated lifting gear and strong, yet flexible boom that can reach great heights and depths. This flexibility is crucial when dealing with varied load types and sizes, typical in offshore construction. Its role in developing sustainable energy sources through the installation of wind farms underscores its importance in today's increasingly eco-conscious world, proving that industrial strength can go hand in hand with environmental stewardship. SIPM 7000. The SIPM 7000 is a floating crane that has been a game-changer in the field of maritime engineering, particularly in the construction and dismantling of offshore structures. This mammoth crane is designed for super heavy lifts, which is essential in today's era where offshore structures are becoming larger and more complex. Its lifting capacity is among the highest in the world, making it a crucial asset for any project that involves ultra-heavy modules or components. Beyond its raw power, the SIPM 7000 is also designed for precision. It features advanced control systems that allow operators to handle immense loads with meticulous accuracy. This precision is critical in avoiding costly mistakes in environments where the margin for error is minimal. SSCV, often recognized as one of the most robust floating cranes ever built, is primarily used in shipbuilding and large-scale maritime recovery operations. Its ability to lift entire ship sections and other substantial maritime constructs highlights its essential role in modern shipbuilding. This crane can drastically reduce the time required to assemble large vessels, making it a key asset in commercial shipyards around the world. Safety features on the SSCV are top-notch, with multiple fail-safes and robust design elements that ensure it operates within safe parameters, no matter the load. This attention to safety is critical, given the potential hazards associated with lifting and moving such massive structures. Juna 30. Juna 30 is a lesser-known but equally impressive floating crane, mainly used in East Asia for river and coastal engineering projects. It specializes in tasks that require high precision and heavy lifting within restricted waterways, making it indispensable for infrastructure development in densely populated areas. The crane's design facilitates not only power, but also a remarkable degree of operational flexibility, which is essential in complex construction environments. This crane's ability to maneuver in tight spaces while handling significant weights is a technological feat that reflects the advanced engineering behind its creation. Pioneering spirit. The pioneering spirit is the titan of floating cranes and arguably the most unique vessel in the heavy lifting world. Designed for the single lift installation and removal of large oil and gas platforms, the pioneering spirit fundamentally changes how offshore heavy lifting is performed. Its dual crane design allows it to lift up to 48,000 tons, making it the largest crane vessel ever constructed. The engineering behind the pioneering spirit is as innovative as it is massive. It features dynamic positioning systems to maintain precise location without anchoring, crucial for reducing environmental impact on the seabed. Its lifting mechanism is designed for speed and safety, reducing the time ships and platforms need to spend in hazardous offshore environments. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.